Good day everyone, my name is Jeff Hardy Aguas and I'm here to graph the system of nonlinear equation. So, I use Desmos to graph the system of nonlinear equation. So, by using Desmos, itatype lang natin dito yung equation para makita natin kung saan siya nag-intercept and malaman natin yung solution. So, itatype natin dito yung equation for number 3. So, the equation is y is equal to x squared and y is equal to negative x squared. So, this is the graph for number 3. So, makikita natin dito na nag-intercept siya sa 0, 0. So, the solution for number 3 is 0, 0. And this is the graph for number 3. So, for number 8 naman, the given equation is x squared minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And x squared plus y squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So, makikita natin yung first equation natin is parabola. And yung second naman is circle. So, nag-intercept sila dito sa 0 and 1. So, the solution for number 8 is 0 and 1. So, this is the graph for number 8. The solution is 0 and 1. So, that's all. Thank you for listening.